Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic docking station that this brand sent to me for the video. I gotta say, I tried this thing, which I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up and how it works in a few seconds. I have my portable monitor over here and this laptop as well, so I can show it to you. But this thing, it is super compact, yet it is super powerful. Why am I saying that? Number one, it comes equipped with its own power, so it actually connects to the electricity, like the power in your house, like a wall outlet or something like that, and that's going to be 120 watts, meaning that this one can actually fast charge your devices at the same time that you're actually using them. The other thing about this one is that this is mind-blowing for like home office. This is in productivity, like video editing and stuff. This is fantastic. It comes with two HDMI ports that's going to give you 4K 60 hertz. And then based on your devices and the drivers and everything, it also comes with two display ports that goes up to 2K 60 hertz. So you can technically have two monitors at 4K and two other monitors at 2K, both in 60 hertz, which is going to be fantastic. So I'm going to actually stop talking and show all the ports to you on a closer look. So take a look over here. Super sleek design, really compact as well, and also comes with the rubber pads at the bottom, so this thing won't move easily. What do you have over here? You have you have one USB-C 3.0 and one 18 watts PD, so you can actually put this one to the Thunderbolt and also connect it to a data transfer and a monitor. And you have the two 10 gigabytes USB-A and a USB-A 2.0, as well as a 3.5 jack for audio purposes. And by the way, you can connect to the micro SD and the SD cards over here for actually data transfer as well. This is just fantastic. You can actually fast charge your phone as well. Right here on the back, what you're gonna find is, so actually goes this way. You're gonna find the HDMIs. You have the four HDMIs. You have four different HDMI ports over there, 4K 60 hertz, and the two display ports over here. So you can actually use these ones too. And you have the USB-A 2.0, the DC port for the power to the wall, and you have the host over here as well as an Ethernet connection. So I'm actually connecting my laptop right now to a portable monitor. So I have everything ready. The docking station is connected to the power wall, the power cable in the wall. I have it connected via the USB-C to the Thunderbolt there on my laptop. Everything is ready. This portable monitor, which is the only one I have to show you. The only thing I'm missing is just connecting this one to the HDMI port. Remember, you have plenty of HDMI ports over there. Just like that. Boom. We're done. That's everything you have to do. And remember, you have four HDMIs at 4K 60 hertz per second. And also you have the two display ports to connect multiple displays all over the place, as well as the data transfer connected to the internet. Also USB-A, USB-Cs, fast charge, SD cards, micro SD cards, everything via this tiny but mighty docking station. This thing is fantastic, really good for the home office environment, and really, really good for editing videos and productivity. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.